My name is Bob Knorr from Woodworkers Toolworks. I'm going to do a demonstration on how to trim a tire into the slots of a small diameter bandsaw wheel. We supply these bandsaw tires in blank form. A lot of times it's called back that they don't fit in the channel. So I'm going to do a brief demonstration on how to cut them. Starting off with the wheel. This is for a 12-inch shop master. We put the tire in and we put it up against one side of the lips. It's riding high on the other lip. Take a razor blade. It's best to use the sharpest one you can get, so a fresh blade is important. Make a side cut, carefully not to go in too far. And being very careful, get the tip of that blade inside the channel. Using that channel as a guide, slowly follow that channel around. Full diameter of the wheel. Your tire drops right in. You have to come back and make a secondary cut here or there. Now your tire is pre-cut, custom fit to the channel. You can then equalize your stretching with the glue and take out any narrow spots. This tire is now ready to be glued on and crowned.